It's 11:28 on a Wednesday. We're going to be listening into the National Weather Service's required weekly test. I know that says 11:30, but that's not right. But basically, what a required weekly test is a test of the emergency alert system that is broadcasted to our NOAA weather radios every single week on a Wednesday between the hours of 11 and 12 o'clock. So what they'll do is they'll broadcast the same codes, and they'll activate every single weather radio that is listening to your to the station, and that is assuming that your weather radio is programmed correctly. So this is a good way to make sure that your weather radio is programmed correctly and is getting the alerts it needs. So go ahead. I have this R200, which I'll be releasing a review video about soon. I have the Midland WR120.
7 degrees, wind calm.
So mine should go off because they say they activate the test on 11:30. Oh, I think I hear the sound in the background. There we go. There's a delay to this one.
From Atlanta, KEC-80. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
Okay. That is your required weekly test, and it's a good way to know whether or not you programmed your weather radio correctly. And yeah. That's good. And since all of these worked at around 11:30, that means that the required weekly test for these weather radios is a success, and no corrections need to be made on the programming. So that's your required weekly test.